Well, it's not October 1st, 1999, but this Mitsubishi Montero thinks it is. I don't know what's wrong with this car that just showed up here at the junkyard. I hooked the jump box up to it. It's running. The car's pretty clean. The body's not smashed or anything. However, when you get inside of it, it has this horrible buzzing sound. Listen to this. I mean, that is so annoying. I don't know where that's coming from. The doors are closed. The emergency brake is off. Update on the Mitsubishi Montero. Well, we were going to try to save this thing because it is beautiful, but unfortunately the frame is broken and cracked. So this is going to end up in our yard for parts. So if you need parts, you know where to find us.